Hello, students. So if you need help with the reading of the questions for any of today's activities, what you can use is the Immersive Reader that is located in OneNote. Okay, so what you want to do is go under the View tab. Okay, so one, two, three. Third one in. Okay, under View, you will see Immersive Reader. Okay, so please make sure you have that available. If it's not available on the online version, then you'll need to utilize the desktop version. All right, it will definitely be on the desktop version. You click on that and it will change the screen so that it literally will just kind of read every word for you, but you can click on where you want it to start and then it will begin reading where you want it to read. Okay, so that is an option for you. So if you're having any difficulty with any of the words or any of the reading, please make sure you utilize that tool. It's there for you as a resource, so definitely take advantage of that. All right, and that's all I have for you. Thank you.